Assalamu alaikum and a lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in very good health and you're enjoying your beautiful sunny bright day and you're ready to start the new day and you're ready to start learning and you're ready to meet with your teachers today. So the first day of the week, beautiful day, a little hot, but nice, not really hot. We have still so much to do indoors and a little to do outdoors as well, but staying in our homes. So right now we are in our literacy class, and you know that we are still left with some of the alphabets that we have to do. We have to do the vocabulary for that, and we have to learn to trace them as well. So here are some of the things on the board for you to just have a look at them and tell me what is the letter for today. Yeah, they're all different. This is different, this is different, this is different, and this is even different. They're all different, but you're going to have a look at that and you're going to figure it out that what is the alphabet for today. It's not cucumber, it's not about carrot, it's not even about capsicum. Yeah, we're not doing C today, we have done it already. And there is one more thing over here. What do we do with that? We put flowers in that. Yeah, we decorate it with the flowers or maybe some strings or something like that, and we can put it on the maybe on in the center table or maybe on the side table or anywhere, and they come in very different colors. So this is one thing that starts with the letter which we're going to do today, and there is this as well that start with the same letter what we are going to do today, right? Okay, you are just going to figure it out with these two. What do you think? You have no idea? Okay, I'm going to tell you that we are going to do today alphabet V. Yes. Yeah, carrot does not start with V. Capsicum even, not even cucumber. But what are these all? What do you think? What are these all? What are these? Yes, these are vegetables. That starts with V, and the sound is what. The sound of V is what, right? Vegetables, ways, van, vulture. Yes, vaccine these days, right? So these are the things which starts with we, right? There are dresses made up of velvet that even starts with we. There is violin which we play that even starts with we. Then there is one thing which your mommy uses at home to clean the carpets, to clean the floor, and that works with the electricity. And what is that? That even starts with we. It starts with we. And what is that? That is a vacuum cleaner. Yes. The vacuum cleaner starts with we. That is very nice. So there are like many things around you which starts with we. You can find them in the kitchen, you can find them maybe in the lobby or maybe in the lounge or in the maybe in the bedroom as well, right? So that even starts with we. So we is for vegetables, we is for ways, we is for van, we is for vulture, we is for violin, we is for vaccine, we is for velvet, right? So, and there are like many other things even. There's a planet that starts with we, but that is the nearest planet to the Earth. Yes, that is Venus. Venus even starts with V, right? The planet Venus, that starts with V. Vegetable starts with V. What else do you think? Do anybody name starts with V? Here with us, V is like, no, V is very less. But yes, abroad, maybe in UK or in America or somewhere else, a vector can be the name. I had a couple of names that start with V, but none of them are like starts with V, because car doesn't start with V. Veena, yes, Veena starts with V, and vector, as I told you, and then Vincent, yes, Vincent starts with V. So, but here we're going to figure it out which names here in Pakistan that starts with V, right? I think there is Veena. Somebody write Wakas with V, but Wakas doesn't start with V, that starts with W. Okay, so but that's it. That's okay, no problem. You can find it out that is there any name that starts with V, right? So this is what we are going to do, the alphabet. Yes, there is one landform, a mountain. It's a mountain. It's a kind of landform, but it's not only a mountain. Uh, it has something else which comes out from that mountain. That is also a landform, and that starts with V. Now, do you have any idea what is that? That is a landform, and that starts with V. It is a mountain, but it does more than that. It's not just a volcano. There is something which erupts from that comes out from that. What is that? Yeah, that's a volcano. Yay, volcano, right? Volcano starts with V, right? So there is 1 and 2 strokes only in V, very easy. There are 2 diagonal lines, all diagonal lines, right? So we are going to come down horizontally, and then we're going to vertically, and then we're going to go up vertically, right? Come down vertically and goes up vertically. So this is what we are going to do here. So we have done vegetables, we've done maize, we have done vulture, volcano, violin, right? And what else? Van, and yes, that's it. I think really a vacuum cleaner we did. So these are a couple of things. It starts with the alphabet V. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to trace our alphabet. That is V, right? So for that, we will be needing our book number. Okay, yeah, this one. N to Z, Alphabet Fun. We'll be needing this book, right? Yes. Acute, magenta, purple, dino, right? And we are going to come up on page number 28. Yes, please come up on page number 28. Okay. So page number 28, what do you see on page number 28? Yes, there's a van. Here is a van. And this says, my cousin has a green and blue van. Blue? From where it is blue? It's only gives us a little green, no blue. So this is a van, okay? That's great. Oh, from here it is all green, but it is not blue from anywhere. That's a green van, okay? So, and this is V for van. So we have this over here, right? So along with this, yes, right? See, we have 2 V's over here. So first of all, we're going to have a look at this. 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Again, once again, 1, 2. right? Last time. 1, 2, right? Very easy, only 2 strokes. And then now look at this one. Again, number 1, vertical line, a little diagonal, then another vertical line, a little diagonal going up. Vertical line going down, vertical line going up. Both of them are like this, right? They're like this. Okay, so once again, down, up. This is kind of, we've done baby line, zigzag lines, remember? So if you continue doing it, it will go like this, down, up, down, up, down, up. And this is going to make a zigzag pattern. But we're not going to make a zigzag pattern. We're just going to trace V, right? We're going to only trace V. So down and up. Okay, now you're going to put your book flat on the table and you're going to take out your pencils. Very good. Take out your pencils and we are going to start tracing, right? Come on, please start tracing. Yes. Going down, then coming up. Very easy, and you have done a lot of tracing. Now you know how to trace, how to follow the arrows, from where you're going to start, and how you're going to make these strokes, right? Okay, that's great. So you're going to trace V. Do it at least 5 times, a little harder, so that can be shown on the screen easily. You can see that on the screen, right? Okay, that's great. Right, show me. That is good. Right, okay. Now we are going to write V on page number 9. We are going to trace it over here. So we will be doing this whole line. We're going to complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 V's we are going to complete, right? Please do that. Okay, so I hope you've done that, the first line only. Okay, that's great. Very easy. Just it's kind of zigzag. Okay, you've done that, right? Okay. Now again, come on to page number 28. Okay, and now there are a couple of vans. You can see they're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9 vans, and they say that we are going to only color the vans which have the alphabet V on them. Right. So first of all, look at the picture carefully and count and see how many V's are there in this picture. Okay, I'm also going to see. Okay. Yeah, so how many V's are here on the vans? There are, yeah, there are 4 V's on the van. 1, yes, 2, 3, and 4, right? Okay, so you are going to color them. Later, you can color that as well. And have a look at this. Which color you're going to do in this letter V? Which color you're going to do? Yay, you're going to do the green color. That's right. And you can do this green as well, but you can change the color. That's not necessary that you only follow the same color scheme. That's up to you. Use your imagination. Use your own colors and make the van as colorful as you want, as different as you want, right? Use your imagination. Don't just follow whatever is being given in the book, right? Try to use your own imaginations. That is really nice. That will be very helpful. And that is going to give you more and more ideas, right? So we did V today, and the vocabulary of V and the tracing of V, in which what we have done with V, we've done vegetable, we have done vase, we have done violin, we have done volcano, we have done vulture, we have done Venus, we have done van, right? So these are the kind of vocabulary, a couple of things which you have done with the alphabet we, right? And I hope you're going to find some more the things which are going to start. Yes, we did vacuum cleaner as well. How can you forget that? So we did vacuum cleaner as well. So there are a couple of things which we have learned, that this starts with the alphabet we, right? And the sound is w, vegetables, what ways, what van, what volcano, what vulture, what Venus, what vacuum cleaner, what else? Vulture, van, volcano. So see, what. So the sound of V is what. And you could find many of the things that starts with the alphabet we, and take out the sound w, right? Okay, that's great. So this was our literacy class today, and I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and we'll see each other soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have. So we'll see each other inshallah soon. Till then, I'm going to say Allah Hafiz and bye bye.